Alright, this is the fourth feeding of today of the little baby dinosaur. Cheep, 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 cheep. Look at him flap his wings. Pretty cool, huh? There you go. Now, let's see if I can get him to Dot Roxy in the picture. Look at old Roxy. Alright, shot Roxy, back up. You gonna help me feed him? Syringe. Ooh, want some Roxy? Just good, huh? Here we go. Chop. Back. Back. Right about here. And we're going to start feeding the baby bird. Open up, open up, open up. There he goes. There he goes. He's eating. Squirt out a little bit. Okay. Come on. Ready. Somebody's texting me. Uh-oh. Open up. Open up. There you go. Look at that baby. Squirt the birdie out. Squirt, 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 squirt. And that's all for today.